In this video, I want to show you how to factory reset your HP LaserJet Pro 4001N. So what you need to do is to press once on OK. Then you're going to see main menu setup. Press OK again. Select with the arrow over here until you are over printer maintenance. Press OK. Again, using the arrow, shuffle through the different options until you get to restore. Press OK. And then you have restore network settings. But if you press again on this arrow, you're going to see restore factory defaults. This is the factory reset. So press OK. Okay, it will tell you that everything will be deleted. This is what you want. Press OK again, and this is about it. The printer will be factory resetted, and you can start fresh in case you had issues with it, or maybe if you want to resell it and you don't want the other person to have your network's informations. This is the thing to do. So thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe. Check my Amazon links if you want to get a new toner for this exact model. I'll put a link towards a compatible one, and I'll see you in the next video.